Today's topic, tornadoes and thunderstorms.
Yeah, so South Florida experienced a historic tornado outbreak last year in October when Hurricane Milton approached Florida. And take a look, we've never seen an outbreak like this before. That impacted our communities from the Palm Beaches to the Treasure Coast. Now, the storm produced 46 tornadoes and 15 right here in South Florida. If a tornado warning is issued, the best advice is to get as many walls between you and the outside as possible. Stay away from windows and doors and make sure you keep your head covered.
For all the folks that are visiting and or have moved to Florida, it's important to be aware that even though we're not in Tornado Alley, tornadoes happen here and you need to be prepared for that. Not just hurricane season, but always have a plan for where you will go if a tornado warning is issued and have a way to be alerted.
And today, all the National Weather Service offices across South Florida will be doing a tornado warning drill to practice safety plans.
Yeah, schools across our area are also going to be doing the same exact thing in case of a tornado. You know, that tornado outbreak killed 7 people here in our area. That's something that people will never forget. And Sandra,